Welcome to the Generative AI Engineering 5-Day Mastery Program. This curriculum is designed for corporate training, covering everything from the core foundations and prompt engineering to RAG, AI agents, and full production deployment, all supported by real-world examples. This is our 5-day roadmap, built on a master tree structure to take you from basic concepts all the way to production-grade deployment. Each day focuses on critical skills: foundations, advanced prompting, RAG pipelines, AI agents, and finally, deployment and career growth. Day 1 is dedicated to foundations and large language models. We will move beyond just using these tools to truly understanding how they work. We will cover the evolution of AI, different model types, tokens, context windows, and the attention mechanism. So what is generative AI? Unlike traditional software that follows fixed rules for predictable output, GenAI learns patterns from data to create original content. It is like a chef who, instead of just following a recipe, uses their experience to create something entirely new and unique. To understand the landscape, think of these terms as nested subsets. AI is the broad umbrella, machine learning is a subset that learns from data, deep learning uses neural network layers, and generative AI represents the latest advancement in creating new content.
Want the complete GenAI Mastery Training Kit? Hack Hall. Comment GENAI and follow for more AI tutorials.